6th Rabi'ul Akhir, Urs Mubarak of Faqih Azam Maulana Muhammad Sharif Kotlavi Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, the teacher of scholars, the great jurist of Islamic law, Abu Yusuf Muhammad Sharif Kotlavi Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, was born in 1861 AC in Kotli, Lohara, Ziakot, Punjab, Pakistan. He received his primary education and training under the wise supervision of his father, Hafiz Abdul Rahman Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh had conferred special certificates upon him and honored him by accepting him as his disciple and authorizing him with his khilafat, that is, his spiritual vice-regency. He also gave him the title of Faqih Azam. Furthermore, he made dua, supplication for his steadfastness, and advised him to always advocate the truth. He dedicatedly served Islam and Sunniyat, the school of true thoughts, throughout his life. He spent his entire life in upholding the slogan of truth and denying the evil forces. He was a spiritual leader of Sunniyat and the supporter of the teachings of Ala Hazrat Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh. In fact, he was a great preacher of Hanafiyat. He was a teacher, a muballigh, preacher, khatib, poet, intellectualist, and an author. His set of fatwa, articles, letters, and discourses are indeed praiseworthy. Besides, Akhlaqus Salihin, Mudallal Namaz is also an unmatched and unique work amongst all his writings. Imam Ahl Sunnat Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh expressed happiness by studying it, and thus he wrote appreciatory remarks for it and gave him the title of Faqih Azam. The supporter of Sunnah, Abu Yusuf Muhammad Sharif Kotlavi Hanafi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayh, passed away at the age of 90 on the 6th of Rabi'ul Akhir in 1370 Hijri, corresponding to the 15th of January 1951 AC. His holy shrine is situated near Jami' Masjid Sharifi in Kotli, Lohara, Ziakot, Punjab, Pakistan. May the blessings of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।